Everyone. So today we'll be talking about this Leetcode problem, reverse string. So you have to write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters S. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of 1 extra memory. Okay, so you are given this input array which has these characters and you need to mutate this array itself and reverse the order of these characters. So hello becomes hello in reverse. Okay, so basically you need to mutate the original array. But in JavaScript, what you can do is you can directly say return s dot a reverse. So basically, you will be able to reverse the array. So we have this reverse function already available to us in built. Okay, so you don't have to return anything. You just have to mutate the original array. Okay, so let's just run submit this and see. Okay, so we've got an acceptance. All right. And if we don't have to use an inbuilt function, what we'll have to do is we'll have to have two pointers, a start pointer and an end pointer, and then we'll have to run a while loop on it. So we'll just write the long form of this code, an algorithm, rather than using the inbuilt reverse function. So we'll say let start equal to 0, let end equal to s dot length minus 1, while start is less than end. So we'll be running a while loop till we get till we get to the middle of the string array. What we'll do is uh, now what we have to do over here is we are at this H and we are at this O and we need to reverse it. So maybe we'll have to use a temporary variable. So let temp equal to let it hold the start value. Then let's change the start value to its end value and let's update the end value with the temp value. So basically the start value. Okay. And yes. Okay. And we also have to increment the start pointer and we'll have to decrement the end pointer. So basically over here the start is on the 0th index, end is over here on some index, let's say 5th index, and then after this variable change using the temporary variable, we increment the start and we decrement the end. Okay, all right. Another thing that we can do over here is instead of using temp variable, we can use array destructuring over here. So we can just cancel this. And what we'll say is, just remove these points. Let's So we'll use array destructuring over here. So we'll say s of start, comma s of end is equal to s of end, comma s of start. Okay. So basically we are assigning the end value to the start value and then start value to the end value. So this is basically array destructuring. Okay. And we can do the same thing while we initialize our start and end. So we can say start, comma end is equal to 0, comma s dot length minus 1. Okay. No, we'll have to have some let or const, basically a let over here. Okay, so let's submit. Okay, so we have got an acceptance.